Now take a test tube. First, take a few ml of salt into the test tube. Add some solution. Add some solution. Add some solution. What is this? Solution. Which solution? Unknown solution. Unknown solution means we don't know. What is this? Okay. Is it acid or base? We don't know. We have to identify that. How can I identify? With litmus papers. With litmus paper. This is a blue litmus paper. This is a red litmus paper. First we have to take that blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. Take blue litmus paper. Dip it into this solution. Is it changed? No. Change? No. Same color. Okay? Is it acid? No. Acid means what? Blue litmus paper turns to red litmus. After immediately you have to take another litmus paper. Red litmus. Red litmus paper. Red litmus. See? Yes. Yes. Red turns to